Welcome to an in-depth look at two crucial components of your computer's memory, RAM and ROM. We'll break down their differences using a simple analogy. Understanding how your computer handles memory is key to appreciating its capabilities and limitations. Let's start with the basics. At its core, computer memory is where your computer stores information, either temporarily or permanently, to execute tasks and run programs. Knowing the difference between RAM and ROM can help you understand why your computer performs the way it does and how to troubleshoot certain issues. Let's begin with RAM, or Random Access Memory. To understand it better, think of RAM as your desk. Imagine your desk as your active workspace. When you're working on a project, you spread out your current documents, notes, and tools right there, easily accessible. Similarly, RAM is your computer's short-term memory, holding data for programs and tasks that are currently running. It's for active work. RAM is incredibly fast, allowing for quick access to data. However, it's volatile, meaning all the information on your desk vanishes when you turn off your computer. Now, let's explore ROM, or read-only memory. For this, think of a textbook. A textbook contains information that is essential and unchanging, like fundamental rules or facts. You read from it, but you don't rewrite it every day. ROM functions similarly in your computer, storing essential, unchanging data, such as the basic instructions your computer needs to boot up. ROM is generally slower than RAM, but it's non-volatile. The data persists even when the power is off, just like the information in your textbook remains after you close it. So to quickly recap the main distinctions between RAM and ROM. In brief, RAM is fast and temporary, like your desk, while ROM is slower but permanent, like a textbook. One clears when powered off, the other retains its data. They serve distinct roles, RAM for active, changing data, and ROM for static, foundational instructions. Both are essential for your computer to function. In conclusion, RAM and ROM are both vital memory types, but they each have unique functions. RAM is your dynamic workspace for current tasks, and ROM is your reliable library for unchanging system information. Together, they ensure your computer operates smoothly, from the moment you power it on to when you're actively working on projects.
Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, like and share for others to